And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:41 this morning. No, the cold front is not coming here. It's stalling out, lifting back to the north as a warm front, but it is helping us out. The fact that it's even in North Texas is significant because this whole front that's obviously stretching on up to the northeast, where actually it is dramatically cooling things down there. That high pressure ridge that we've been talking about that's been keeping things dry across southeast and much of Texas is getting weaker and weaker, and so it can't suppress the activity in the Gulf as much. And so though everything's offshore very early this morning, all of it's going to be moving inland later today, and that does include us here in the valley. Now, it doesn't mean all of that rain is going to come in. That never quite pans out that way. But the closer you live to the coast, the better chance of rain you have. And the earlier in the day that rain chance will start. I think the rain chance for us begins at 11 a.m., so right around lunchtime, and right along the coast. Maybe a shower starting to pop up around South Padre then. And then as we go later in the day, notice how the activity shifts to the west. Now, still no guarantees today that you're going to see rain, but I do think a few more folks today are going to see rain than what we saw yesterday. A few folks saw rain yesterday, and I think a few more will today. Now, it's still going to be hot unless you get under one of these showers and storms, and then you will temporarily cool down at least. But until you do see some rain, the heat index is going to be around 104. And even if you cool down temporarily in the lower valley, you very likely will see the temperatures rebound because, again, with these showers and storms, it'll only rain about 30 minutes and then go back to being dry. It's also not going to be that breezy of a day, really. Maybe wind gusts around 15, but that's 15 miles per hour. That's going to be about it. Overall, the rain chance, we're going to put it at 30% because I do think some, even in Starr County, will see a little bit of rain, though the rain chance is smallest out to the west. By 9 o'clock, everyone's dry, and it looks like a partly cloudy night. We're going to stay that way through the overnight hours into early tomorrow morning, and then notice how tomorrow is going to be so similar to today. The rain chance starting around 11 a.m. in the lower valley. A little bit later on, we'll see the rain start to move to the west. The heat index is going to be exactly the same. It's going to be around 104 is what it's going to feel like tomorrow. Doesn't look that breezy. It'll be partly to mostly cloudy. Once again, I think a few folks in Starr County will see some rain. We'll go with another 30% chance of rain for tomorrow. And by 9 o'clock, once again, all the activity over with, and it's back to partly cloudy skies. So this forecast could honestly be repeated for tomorrow as well. Highs around 97. Partly to mostly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms from about 11 a.m. in the morning until 9 o'clock in the evening. And the winds, not that strong, actually a little bit below normal for this time of year. So a little bit of a wind in the afternoon, but not a particularly breezy day at all. And winds are going to be light tonight, just around 5 miles per hour. It does look partly cloudy and actually a little bit cooler. Lows will be around 76. I think the majority of us will be in the mid-70s to start the day tomorrow. And then we're going to repeat everything. Now on Saturday, a little bit of change. I don't think there's going to be as much rain around. We're going with a 20% chance of rain. That means getting a little bit hotter. And looking at the Labor Day weekend, I think our rain chances stay small. Only a 10% chance for Sunday and Monday. Does look like it's going to get a little bit breezier. That's good because it's going to be awfully hot with those feels like temperatures still in the mid-100s. I think if you're looking for a dramatic cool down, we're going to have to wait until the middle part of next week. It looks like our rain chances are going to start to return. In fact, I think our best chance of rain is going to be next Wednesday. There might be a little disturbance in the Gulf. It's going to enhance the sea breeze a little bit more. We might actually call for scattered showers and thunderstorms. I even went ahead and put the little rain coming down, which I haven't been able to do in quite some time, and also haven't been able to put a temperature in the low 90s in quite some time. The last time we had an average high temperature in the low 90s was August 5th. We might do it on Wednesday, fingers crossed.